Well, hello, fellers and fellettes. It's OAM Garage, your putting fabric on my seat. So that's what we're gonna do. I got some fabric over here, and I'm gonna shut this door so that light won't kill my battery. And then I got a table, and then I'm gonna pull out the seat. Come on. Alright. So here matches the table perfectly. Alright. So if you're not familiar with OAM, I'm a feller just like you, except I got this 52 pickup truck I'm working on. Right there, right there, right there. And I just got this seat. I think it's going to be okay. So if you want to, you can go ahead and hit like. You know, that helps my channel. I think at last try, I think I had 485 or so. I don't know. It was something like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close up this little gap right here a little at a time. Alright. Just a little at a time. You won't see this because I'm going to put a seat cover on it, and it'll look so much better. I just know I'm sitting on it, so I don't want to do that. Alright, there we go. There we go. We're going to go this way. You won't see this at all, so don't all y'all, what's he doing? Well, I guess it's OCD, you're fixing something you can't see. I think I just made a funny. No, I just made a rhyme, but it sure wasn't funny, was it? Alright, okay. So, that's the only one I'm going to worry about, because I want to get it in the car already. Alright, so I didn't look at no instructions, but I think I got it. Alright, so we're going to do, get this way. Oh, there's those little well. We'll keep them. We need to keep those. And I hope this is going to fit. It ought to, right? You know what? I don't think that's right. I think this is right. Let's go. No, that's the same thing. Well, I don't guess it matters. Alright, so we're going to come around here. We're going to go do that number. No, I have never done this before. We're doing it for the first time together. And so what we're going to do here, ooh, that's going to look good. We're going to pull this like this. Alright, we're going to pull this up to the front like that. And then we're going to flick that bad boy over like this. And we're going to clip these together just like this. Watch. Tight. Yep. Well, maybe not that tight. Yeah. Look at there. I'm missing a place from there to there. Alright, let's do the next one. Yep. Do it again. Pull it tight. Yep. Alright. We got something for these now, so don't worry about it. Alright. I think I paid like $29 plus shipping, or no, shipping was free, so $29 plus tax, about $32, something like that. I don't know, $33. All right, so now we're gonna come up with this. At least I think I am. All right, come this way. All right, so we got these like that. Okay. All right. Should be about 6 of these. All right, let's carefully open it. I think there is 6. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here. All right. And we're going to put this here. Like that. One more. All right. We'll hook this there. Hook this. We'll hook it good, huh? I mean, you know, that's already tight, so I don't worry about that too much. Okay. Over here. Get that out the way. All right. Now, let's come over here and do the same thing. You don't tell, I think so. Sure ain't getting real good on these corners, is it? I don't reckon you see that, though. Oh, I need my clips. Well, I went over my buddy's house again. Worked on the tractor again. Did we fix it? No. We got it backfiring a couple times, but did that fix it? No. One of you people that watches my channel, thank you, told us that it was probably the ignition switch, and that's what we're going to check into next, and we're hopefully, because everything else is new, I don't know what the deal is, so hopefully that's going to fix it up. Hopefully that's going to fix us up. All right, one more. Get on there. Get on there. No. Good enough. All right. Come off there. So let's flip her over. Look at that. I could have sworn I cleaned this table off. All right, how about that? That looks pretty good. I can live with that. Yep. All right, so let's put this one over here out the way for a minute. Come on, mommy. There we go. I don't think that back is as bad as. Alright. Alright. Hot out here, but there's no chance of rain, so that's a good thing. Usually when I'm working on something that's about to rain. Well, it ain't now. Let's put this one right here. Okay. I'll put this one right here. Alright. Bet you can't tell me where the next one's going. I bet you can. Yep. Right there. But we're gonna have to do it again, looks like. Right there. Right it in. A little bit right here. Yep, right there. What else? Right there. That's a cigarette burn, looks like. I don't smoke. Alright, okay. Good enough. Now let's take this one. Let's us decide since they're exactly the same. Yes, they are. Alright, so that's top. So I think I want it to go this way. Alright, good enough. Oh no, it looks too short. It ain't. It's just fine. Alright. In fact, it's mighty big. That's alright though. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay. Good Lord, it's a mess. Thank you for falling down, so I have to pick you up. Thank you so much. Yeah. Good Lord, the stuff is coming out of these things. Alright, let's flip you over. Good Lord. Just as much. Yeah, you don't see any rats running around, do you? That's good. Okay, so here we go again. We're going to put that there. Tighten it up. Or not. Let's come on over. Alright, that can't go too far. Because that's got to go behind them clips. Alright, that's good. I know you think I'm a professional at this because I'm doing such a fine job. But nope, this is the first time I've ever done it. Yep. If I ever get a sponsor, maybe the next one they'll do, huh? I don't need what I need sponsors for. I can screw it up on my own just enough. Yeah. Alright, there's that one. Here's the last one. Alright, we're about to get this done. Yep. If you're watching this, I'm in Utah. I am in Utah. I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's put a couple of them around there like that. Am I going to be able to do that? Of course not on that one. Because, where's my, okay, so this one didn't have the little package. No, we don't have the little strings either. Yeah, it does. There it is. Alright, so here's what we'll do. We'll just put them through there like that. Won't we? Yep. Well, we don't need them stupid things. Yep. Is there a third one? Let me just get two this time. We just got two this time. Alright. Y'all thought y'all was gonna screw me out of that, didn't you? Whoever built this, you forgot. I got kidneys above my shoulder. That's right. That's right. Alright, come on down here. Yeah, that's not too good, is it? I might have to wind up welding something there. Alright, so let's do this in the same way then. Let's do this one first. Do that one second. Put that in there. We are done. Alright. Alright, so this is the top. I don't want them coming out anywhere, so we'll do them that way too. That way. That's gonna go in there. Like this. How about that? The nastiness off of it. Alright, let's go get that. Alright. Okay. Thankfully that's the back. Yep. Okay, so I'll stick this one in. in the way. How about that, fellas? Yeah. Well, let's go see the other side's over far enough. There we go. Hey, I'm liking this. That's pretty. All right. Let's get the good camera. All right. That's looking pretty dead blame good, I think. All right. Go to the other side. Yeah. All right, fellas. I know it's short and sweet, but I'm out of town, so I'm glad I was able to bring this one to you. Got my new seats in. I like it. Thank you so much for your support. If you like what you see, I hope you learned something. If you want me to, write down in the comments where I got these covers from. Like I said, it wasn't but like 30 bucks. So it made my truck look a whole lot better, don't it? Yeah. Okay, that's going to be it, and I thank you for watching. Please don't litter, okay? It just ain't pretty. Please, don't litter. That's all. It just ain't pretty. You can't say it's pretty because it ain't. My seats is pretty. Thank you. You gotta admit them good looking seats. Alright then, y'all be sweet. Love every one of you, mean it. Oh yeah. Nothing like a job well done.